This is the installation guide for your myWall Work Micro Unit. Prior to installation, you will need a few tools: level, tape measure, stud finder, drill, pencil, and your choice of wall mounting hardware dependent on the surface you will be mounting the myWall on. Ensure that all parts are included for your myWall installation. Locate metal or wood stud locations on the wall used for mounting. Make sure you check for plumbing or electrical locations within the wall. Hold the French cleat onto the wall at a recommended height of 52.5 inches from the floor to the bottom of the French cleat. Make sure the cleat is level and mark holes for mounting with a pencil. Secure the French cleat to the wall with your desired mounting hardware. Never have the cleat mounting to only drywall. Always have it mount direct to a stud or into concrete, and make sure your cleat mounts level. Lift and hang your panel onto the French cleat. Attach the safety locking plate to either the left or right side of the myWall panel with the 2 screws provided. Only 1 locking plate is needed per myWall panel. Attach the white PVC end caps to each side of your myWall panel with the supplied Velcro strips. Now attach your accessories as you want them and enjoy.